Is your file downloading taking time while using Chrome? Watch this video to understand how can you increase download speed within Google Chrome. First of all, before we understand how we can enable that particular feature, let me tell you this is a feature, it's still not in production and it's still being flagged within Google Chrome. So let me show you how you can enable it. If you go to Google address bar and then you type Chrome : then flags, then it will show you those options and all those features which are currently under experiment. These are still not part of the default product which comes and with any of the Google Chrome updates. Now let me show you one thing here. In the search flags, if you just type parallel, then one option you will get, that is parallel downloading. Currently this particular option is not enabled, it's shown as default, which means it's under experiment and it's not included in your Google Chrome browser. You just need to click on this drop down, you need to click on enabled, and what it will do, it will prompt you to relaunch Google Chrome. Once this is relaunched, then you will be able to use this particular feature. So let me click on relaunch. What it will do, it will restart Google Chrome, and once this is started, then you will be able to utilize this feature. Now this is loaded and you can see this parallel downloading is enabled now. Similar to this feature, earlier I shown another feature, that is to enable reader mode, and I published a video earlier. I will add that particular link in the description below if you wanted to check that out. Now let me do one thing, let me open another tab and try to download a bigger size file. Let's see how it works. Now here I have one tab open where I have some of the files. If I select one of the file which is 2.17 GB and I try to download, let me click on that. Now the download will start, and after that if I click on show all, it will show me that current downloads. Now you can see the speed of the download. So you can see that it's varying within 2 to 4 Mbps range, and it's being downloaded. Now if I cancel this particular download and I go to this flags page again and I disable this particular option by clicking default, then it will relaunch again. So once it will relaunch, what I'll do, I'll try to download the same file and let's see how much speed we are getting. As you can see, currently this particular feature is not enabled. Now let me try to download the same file another time. If I go to my OneDrive and I select the same file and click on download, and it will start then and there. And if I click on show all, now you can see the speed is below 1 Mbps. Earlier we were getting between 2 to 4 Mbps of speed. However, currently it's not crossing 1 Mbps also. So using this particular feature, you can speed up downloads within Google Chrome, and this will definitely help you to save some time. So hopefully you like this particular feature and you will be able to make use of it. If you are interested to know another similar feature, which is reader mode within Google Chrome, that is also another flagged feature and which is still not in production. You can enable it to read any of the web page without any distraction. If you're interested, check this end card in this video. Hopefully it will also be useful. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now. We'll see you in one of my next video.